Choosing a programming language in 2025 is not about trends. It's about job opportunities, future-proofing your skills, and understanding where the tech industry is heading. In this video, we'll look at the most important languages to learn in 2025, backed by real hiring data, industry adoption, and future projections. Python remains number one, and it's not even close. Why? Because AI is the future and Python is AI. Frameworks like PyTorch, TensorFlow, FastAPI, and the OpenAI API make Python unavoidable. Even if other languages are faster, nothing beats Python's ecosystem. If you want a job in AI, automation, backend, or data engineering, Python stays essential. Learning method, learn basics, FastAPI, async. AI libraries build 3 projects: chatbot, automation script, API service. Tip, use UV, Rust-powered package manager, much faster than pip. In 2025, companies are hiring TypeScript first, not JavaScript first. Full-stack development is now dominated by Next.js 15, React Server components, and Node.js 22. Why important? Every startup uses TS React ecosystem is still the biggest turbo, bun. Next.js improvements are insane projects to build. AI-powered website, task manager with Next.js, server actions API with Node 22. Rust used to be a cool, low-level language, but in 2025, it became a major industry standard. Where Rust is exploding: cloud infrastructure, AWS, Cloudflare, AI inference engines, security-critical systems. Microsoft rebuilding core Windows components in Rust. Why learn? Rust dev salaries are high. The language eliminates entire classes of bugs. Go is the silent powerhouse. If you want a high-paying backend or cloud job, Go is the skill. Why? Fast to learn, used in Kubernetes, Docker, Terraform. Perfect for microservices. Build this project, a scalable microservice with Go Fiber plus PostgreSQL. Apple's ecosystem is expanding fast. Vision Pro apps, iOS apps, server-side Swift. Swift developers are in high demand, especially if you can build Vision OS apps. So, in 2025, don't spread yourself thin. Pick a language that aligns with your dream job. Subscribe and follow for your full 2025 developer roadmap.